Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine in this pandemic situation too. Dear friends, could you remember what's our previous episode? Rightly thinking. It was Agreement 1, a poetry series we have started. Agreement series is a sonnet series, and this series was published from USA in a chapbook edited by Mr. Mike Gwynn, a world famous editor and a poet from USA. Then it was published partly from different countries, from different magazine, anthologies like Etonis Galactica from Belgium, Toifas Literary magazine from Italy, and then in different magazines, partly, suppose uh, Agreement 4 was published recently from Nekajano Novosti, a digital magazine from Montenegro. And recently, I participated in the Crypto International Poetry Fair Festival in India, where my poetry, Agreement 4, was recited by me. So, dear friends, I can mention here this poetry series is a popular series. So, I hope if you hear this series, you will find Bangladesh. Where you are else in the world, you can know, you can find Bangladesh, Bangladeshi nature, feature, Bangladeshi culture, and human psychology, human chemistry, especially in rural Bangladesh. So, I would like to request you all to listen this poetry series from the first to last, and it is from 1 to 11. Dear friends, no more talking. Let's start our second episode, and it is Agreement 2. Agreement 2. You, a known aerial girl, artistically grown up in a Bengali figure, walk through the footway like a real petty girl of a farmer. Own a silk sari, printing traditionally six seasonal features, focusing an unique art and enriched lifestyle of Bengali culture. Wayfaring here and there, a tired pedestrian come to you to find a fruitful flow of creative love in this green delta. As an ideal farmer full of love for soil and soulful family view, after days hard work wishes to hear a lively sweet orchestra. When night comes in patient community, calling pleasure, woman becomes shamefaced and opens womanly nature. Man covers her up heartily with his lawful committed hands. Since Bengali cultivating nature is never, anyhow, shameless, Bengali pleasant part is the usual study of the real cultivator. Then, come in my life for opening your lovely cultivating door. That's all in English, dear friends. Now I am reciting this poetry in Bengali. কাবিননামা 2। আর্যের যুবতী নয়, কলাবতী বঙ্গীয় শরীরে, মেঠো পথে হেঁটে যাও ধানকন্যা কুলবতী নারী, অঙ্গে পরে বেনারসি, দাঁড়ালে যে ষড়ঋতু ঘিরে, বঙ্গীয় দেশের এক অনুপম শিল্পে দিলে পারে। এপথ অপথ ঘুরে তোমাদের মেঠোপথ ধরে, এসেছি প্রতীক এক পরিশ্রান্ত ভাটির কুমার। চাষির আদর্শ ধরে, কিষাণীর অনুরাগ ভরে, সবুজ বদ্বীপে খুঁজি ফলবতী প্রীতির জোয়ার। কৌমের কেলিতে তৃপ্ত কৃষিজীবী প্রশান্তির রাত, শর্মিন্দা হলে নারী প্রকৃতির খুলে যে কপাট। নারীর শরম ঢাকে পৌরুষের কাবিনের হাত, লজ্জাহীন নয় সখী বাঙালির চাষাবাদী মাঠ। বাঙালি কৌমের কেলি কৃষকের নৈমিত্তিক পাঠ, এসো খুলি চাষাবাদী জীবনের প্রেমের কপাট। ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।